So, Mr. Dipender Hooda, according to you, did the BJP get the economics wrong or did it get the politics wrong with these farm
In this
laws?
case, in this case, they got both wrong
And
because I don't think their advisors, whoever uh, were their advisors or whichever lobbies were working to who during the corona time, had the government bring in ordinance. Such an ordinance was not required, to such an ordinance during the corona time to bring about these widespread changes in the farm sector in India, which is such a crucial sector for this country. So those advisors or the lobbyists did government whole. Then the politics, the fact that entire BJP put its political capital behind these and showed such absolute stubbornness. And in fact, I would go beyond that. More than the stubbornness, how insensitive the BJP leaders have been in our states, calling these farmers, all sorts of names, calling them Khalistani, calling them Updravi, calling them funded by abroad, calling them, all sorts of names that they are not real farmers. And in spite of the fact that so many farmers lost their lives, not one BJP MP from our state or minister, chief minister, deputy chief minister, they even visited one family, and at least, if even visiting one family, at least expressed that we are sorry, we don't agree with your demands, all right. But from these dharnas, people are dying. We are sorry somebody has lost their lives. Has one BJP person spoken that Lakhimpur so many farmers lost their lives? We are sorry about that. Because we are not enemies, Navika. We are farmers. We are equal citizens of this country. We may agree to disagree. You may have one view on certain law. We may have another view on certain law. But if somebody loses life in this country, at least that much kinship we should have for a person with big heart to say, we are sorry that you lost your lives. We don't agree with your demands. So BJP got its economics wrong. BJP got its politics wrong on this matter.
but Dipender Hooda, many would say that ahead of the elections in 5 states, Mr. Modi has taken away from the opposition a cause that
Many would also
could have been your election slogan.
No, see, many would also say that if I were to turn this argument, that BJP has not done it because it's having any care for so many 700 lives being lost and thousands of farmers, lakhs of farmers still sitting on the dharna. BJP has done it because of these 5 state elections. This is the precise reason why BJP has done it. They are just worried about their vote shares in these states. They are just worried about their poll prospects, and that's why they have done it.
The BJP has faced elections even before these 5 elections, Assam, West Bengal. They didn't pull out the laws at that time. They've done it now. So why would the elections charge be made against the BJP?
Because, see, there are 2 regions, and both are my neighboring regions, and I'm very well acquainted with those regions where the elections are coming now, which are the epicenter of this agitation. Assam and West Bengal, this agitation was not as prevalent and with as much fervor as it was in Punjab and Western UP. And, while BJP can almost wrote off Punjab, and seems like they've completely written off Punjab, Western UP, they don't want to write off, because Western UP is where they got most of their seats from last time. If you remember the last UP elections, that's the elections where there was this was the election in the backdrop of Muzaffarnagar riots, and this Western UP belt, which is neighboring to Haryana, voted for BJP in big numbers. All sections, including the farmers from Western UP, I can tell you, for the first time, farmers voted in those big numbers in Western UP. And at the moment, the situation there seems very shaky for BJP. And that's the reason why these 2 states are coming to polls. So one can argue what you have argued. I can argue that they have done it just for their poll prospects. nothing else. They don't care about the farmers.
But what does this-
nevertheless, those are arguments.
But what
The
does this
decision has been
mean for the
taken.
Congress party's prospects in these elections in UP and Punjab? Because कांग्रेस ने तो अपने आप को politically पंजाब में मारने की बहुत कोशिश की है, जहां आपका बना बनाया खेल था.
नहीं,
आपके
पंजाब में-
prospects का क्या होगा?
Punjab mein, we are very confident that Congress is going to come back in Punjab strongly. It is going to be a big victory in Punjab. You will see that. And because we have, as far as the farmer agitation, linking it to that also, while we have worked for all sections, we have, with true honest intent, the Congress party has supported the farmer agitation. Rahul ji went and did a tractor yatra. I was part of that. Started in Punjab at the time when the farmers had not even moved to the borders of Singhu and Tikri. From that tractor yatra to Lakhimpur Kheri, when I was with Priyanka ji, when we went to Lakhimpur Kheri, when the farmers were crushed by one of the main accused is, as you know, a union minister's son and a cavalcade. So the Congress party has stood with the farmers, and I think in Punjab people realize that, and you will see that in the polls. As far as Uttar Pradesh is concerned, we are aware of our limitation in Uttar Pradesh. We don't, but at the same time, you will see a resurgent Congress in the leadership of Priyanka ji. I think while we do not have, we can't claim that in Lucknow Assembly we are the main opposition party, because the numbers would suggest that maybe Samajwadi Party may be. But morally, we have played the part of the main opposition party in Uttar Pradesh, fighting for every section and raising the right voices. And you will see that the people will reward us for that, and they will, the change will start from Uttar Pradesh, and Uttar Pradesh will give a big jolt to the BJP.